Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. If you're considering using the Synchrony Bank app to manage your savings or credit accounts, this video provides a detailed explanation of its features, performance, and real user experiences to help you understand how it works. This video explains how the Synchrony Bank app is designed to support both savings account holders and Synchrony credit card users. After downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play, users log in using their Synchrony credentials. The home dashboard displays current balances, pending transactions, and available credit if linked to a Synchrony credit card. Tap on any account to see full transaction history, interest accrual, or upcoming payment details. To make a deposit or transfer funds, users can tap the Move Money button, then select the source and destination accounts. For credit cards, the Payments tab allows users to schedule one-time or recurring payments, view past payments, or check due dates. The app also includes a mobile check deposit feature for savings accounts. Users can access this by tapping Deposit Check, photographing both sides of the check, entering the amount, and submitting for processing. Security features are built into the app, including biometric login through fingerprint or facial recognition, multi-factor authentication, and transaction notifications. If a user needs to lock their card or report suspicious activity, the app provides a dedicated section under Settings to manage card controls and contact Synchrony support. For additional help, in-app chat is available with limited hours for banking support. Reviews for the Synchrony Bank app are mixed. Positive feedback mentions ease of checking balances, smooth login with biometrics, and the simplicity of managing savings accounts. However, several users report issues with linking external bank accounts, occasional payment glitches, and slow updates to transaction history. Some also mention limited functionality compared to Synchrony's website, especially for advanced account setup or accessing promotional savings features. Overall, the Synchrony Bank app is functional for essential account tasks such as balance checks, bill payments, and mobile deposits. It serves well for managing Synchrony savings and credit accounts but may lack some flexibility and speed found in more modern banking apps. Still, for existing Synchrony customers, it remains a convenient tool for mobile access to account information. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.